In this video, we're going to be sharing how to use band math in ENVI to do some simple calculations. Alright, so we've opened up ENVI, and I want to bring open a file for demonstration purposes. So we are going to open, this is a Landsat file that we use for Lab 2. And let me bring this guy over. We've got our band manager, and I'm going to open this guy up as a false color 432 image. So red is for 4, band 4, band 3 has been assigned to green, and band 2 has been assigned to blue. I'm going to load this information and minimize that guy. And what we see here is beautiful coastal Santa Barbara from a 2000 Landsat scene. And we can zoom in here if we're interested to Santa Barbara area, and we can see the airport, we can see the campus right on a point there, a wonderful surf break. All right, wonderful, wonderful location. And we're going to use this image as a demonstration image to show you guys about something called band math, which is a way of creating new numerical values based on existing bands that we have at our disposal. And we're going to do that using these bands for this image. Band math is important because we can use it to create things like vegetation indices, like NDVI or other types of indices that allow us to compress information into a single value that then we can interpret and try to get at fire, fuel, strength, or vegetation health, or whatever it is that we're interested in. So we're just going to do a quick demonstration right now using a tool called band math, which appears over here under the band algebra guy. You could also just search up here for band math and it would pop up, but I just found it. So we're going to click on this guy right here, and you need to add an expression, a mathematical expression. And the mathematical expression we're going to add is band 2 B2 plus B3 plus B4. And so basically, band math is going to allow us to, for every pixel in the scene, add up the spectral values, the digital numbers for band 2, band 3, band 4, and create a new image, which is the summation of those guys. So, great, we've got it. And then we're going to say OK. And so the next thing we need to do is actually assign that B2, B3 to particular band values. So this is really easy. So B2, we're just going to assign to band 2. And B3, we're going to assign to band 3. And B4, we're going to assign to band 4. Fantastic. Because this is just a little demonstration, I'm not going to actually create a new file. I'm just going to write this to memory. But when you do your work, make sure you create an actual file. And let's say OK. And see, whoa, that was really fast. Okay, so now this is fantastic. We've got this new crazy looking image here, right? And so we can explore this guy a little bit. So this is the original. So this is the original image, right? And we're only displaying band 4, 3, and 2. And if we look at our spectral profile guy, we can see, right? So for this particular location right here, we've got a value for band 4 of about 70, for band 3 about 58, and for band 2 about 60, right? If we also get this target guy going here, cursor value, we can see, this is very interesting, we can see, and I'm going to turn on the memory guy here as well, and so now under my cursor value, which I got by doing this target guy, I can see the value for this particular pixel right here is 160 wherever I go. So where the crosshair location is, it's 181. And if I look at the band values for my original image, which is 432, right? 432, 432, right? What we can see is for whichever one we're talking about, and it's going to move around as I sort of jump around, that 54 plus 29 plus 40. So what is that? So 54 plus 40 will be 94 plus 29. Well, it will be 123. Look, the new file that we created has a value of 123. What if we click over here? 67 plus 44 plus 56. I'm going to do 44 plus 56 first. That's easy. That's 100. 100 plus 67 is 167. This is also 167. Band math is fantastic.